Good day. We're thrilled to be here as a part of the AltCHI program, representing Objectify. In the spirit of human-machine collaboration, this presentation is brought to you through the teamwork of ChatGPT and Midjourney. I'm Valkyrie Savage, inventor.
And I'm Sarah Homewood, Head of Marketing at Objectify. And we're here to introduce Objectify, the program that makes your 3D printer dreams a reality. With the ubiquity of 3D printers, it's time to finally put them to good use. But we know that not everyone has the time or skills to design and create their own objects. That's where Objectify comes in. Our cutting-edge AI algorithms analyze your data to understand your preferences and create bespoke objects that you could want. Whether you need a new phone case, a personalized piece of jewelry, or a custom desk organizer, Objectify has you covered. And the best part? Our just-in-time, just-for-you production means that you get your object exactly when you need it, without any excess, waste, or storage.
Objectify incorporates data from all facets of your life, such as health data from your wearables, events from your calendar, and information from your shopping habits and online communications to get to know the real you and bring you what you need. But how? We collect a list of upcoming events from your calendar to better understand what situations and events you might need support in. Once Objectify has picked an event, we're in business. From there, we use cutting-edge AI technology. Objectify queries GPT-3 to ask what kinds of objects would be suitable for that occasion. It comes back with several deeply customized suggestions tuned to you. Objectify chooses the object you most need and uses stable Dreamfusion to create a bespoke 3D model of it from scratch. Objectify now takes your new object's data and transforms it into instructions that can be followed by a 3D printer. Using knowledge of your calendar and your printer, it calculates the perfect moment to begin the print. The object arrives exactly when you need it.
And now we'll hear from one of our valued customers about their experience with Objectify.
Thank you, Sarah. And let me just say that I'm very happy to be here. My name is Irina, and I'm here to provide a testimonial for this amazing product. I'm a busy person, and I always worry that I will forget what I need as I rush from one thing to another. I forget birthdays, important events, all kinds of things. Sometimes it feels like I would forget my own head if it wasn't attached to me. Objectify has changed the stress of fearing that I am forgetting something all the time. For example, just this morning, I would have forgotten my headphones when I was heading to the gym. But there was Objectify, and a beep from the machine reminded me to grab whatever was on the print bed. I didn't even look at it. I trusted that whatever was there would be something I needed.
We understand that the promise of post-scarcity can seem daunting, but Objectify takes the first step in making that future a reality. Our patented pataphysical software creates non-functional monolithic pieces of blob-like single-color plastic that embody the essence of your desires. With Objectify, the possibilities are endless.
So why wait? Sign up for Objectify today and let us turn your data into personalized 3D printed objects you never knew that you wanted. Welcome to the future of digital fabrication.